South Africa's short-term insurance market has a rich history, evolving from a sector dominated by foreign companies in the early 20th century to a vibrant and highly competitive domestic industry today. OUTsurance entered the market with a disruptive direct-to-consumer model, forcing traditional insurers to adapt. This week on Business Q&A, I'll speak to the organization's CEO, Danie Matthee, who break down the current growth strategy of the company. Danie, thanks very much for joining us.
Thanks for having me, Gary.
OUTsurance is a well-known, South African brand and has really sort of stood the test of time. But tell us, the initials of how it started, when it started, but also up to today, what the business looks like.
Yeah, thanks, Gary. So OUTsurance was founded in 1998, so a pre-millennial company, and originally we started with short-term motor and household insurance. And I think the opportunity in the marketplace then to us was clear, is to take a digital-first approach, a very strong technology foundation, our own built systems, what would be called a full-stack insurer, coupled with very sophisticated actuarial science skills and data analytics skills, and to look at how we can bring value to customers. And the simplest way that we saw the opportunity is to price risk accurately, find ways to present customers who manage their own risk well with good premiums, but also then to reward them in the form of an out bonus, which was a world first, giving people money back for not claiming. I think that's the biggest gripe about insurance. I keep paying and paying, but I never get something back. And with OUTsurance, as we say, you always get something out.
Now, what differentiates OUTsurance then, from traditional other short-term insurance organizations?
Yeah, so our business model is quite different. So, we deal directly with our customers. So there's no intermediated business involved in our business. And the benefit of dealing directly with our customers is that we can design the customer journey, the product, and understand the customer's needs really well. And then build processes and products and systems and solutions which serve our customers. We obviously have a very strong, as I mentioned before, technology and data capability. So we can use those insights to form these journeys and products to give our customers better value. Where with traditional insurers, you might be through an intermediary or a broker, and the business lies and rests with them. With us, we hold that relationship with our customer. And for us, since day one, being able to quickly resolve queries, give customers awesome service, and specifically when it comes to claims handling, be an industry leader has been the focus. I think an obsession with our customer and their needs is what sets us apart.
I really think, that mantra lives well as far as individuals are concerned. I'm a customer myself, so, I think kudos there to OUTsurance. But what has made you decide to enter the commercial insurance market then?
Yeah, so first of all, the commercial insurance market in South Africa is a large market. It's a profitable market. It's a very important market. SMEs are the greatest providers of jobs in the country, and really our economy thrives on SMEs. And we as an insurance underwriter underwrites that segment. Without insurance, they can't operate because they transfer risk to us. But we saw our strengths in distribution, a trusted brand, great technology solutions to build products and systems, as well as rich data capabilities to price risk accurately as an opportunity to again disrupt in that market by providing customers with personalized premiums and personally designed products which suit their needs. Simple products, simple process, but highly tailored to the customer. And in doing so, we give them very competitive premiums and the same great service that our customers got in the personal line space. And to date, it's been very successful for us.
Now, so why has OUTsurance adapted its, or how has it adapted its model to now meet the demands of this new commercial or needs of business clients?
Yeah, that's a good question, Gary. So originally we started on a direct-to-consumer model through our digital channels and our call center. And of course, there's a segment of the market in the business insurance space which is very happy to deal with you through the call center. But really the big part of the market is in a face-to-face environment. So what we learned is we can take our same systems capabilities and our same product and data capabilities, and we can give that to tied agents, or as we call them, OUTsurance brokers. So those staff work for us. They only sell our products and service our customers in the way we train them, but they do it all on our systems. So unlike an intermediary who has maybe many carriers that he represents, they only represent OUTsurance. And in about 2017, we started building out that capability. And today we have about 800 OUTsurance brokers who serve customers face-to-face as opposed through our digital channels. Of course, customers always have the choice of channel, but it makes a big difference if you can serve someone who has marginally more sophisticated needs in person and understand their business and really build a product that suits their needs.
Danie, it's a highly competitive environment. So what is it that makes OUTsurance an attractive insurer for businesses?
Well, first of all, I think we have a really good pricing proposition. Individualized risk pricing, where high-risk customers aren't subsidized by customers who manage their risk well. So we recognize that in our premiums. The second thing is our service is quite well renowned. I think, we pride ourselves on our obsession with customer service, whether that's commercial insurance or personal lines insurance, it doesn't matter. That obsession with the customer and the service is really important to us. It's a very simple product. So, as an example of simplicity, we don't have any excesses which are percentage based, which gives you certainty. You know if there's a claim, you know what it might cost you, as opposed to a very complicated schedule of excesses, and you don't really know how much of the risk is transferred or not. And then, of course, most importantly, like for our personal lines customers, for claims-free customers, we give them 10% of their premiums back in cash over time for not claiming. And for the more complex businesses, even if they do claim but they run a good portfolio, we also give them a cashback bonus. So simplicity, great service, great value for money products, and accurate pricing, I think, are the cornerstones of why you should trust OUTsurance.
Sounds fantastic. We're going to have to leave it there, Danie. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you, Gary.
That was Danie Matthee, OUTsurance CEO, giving us an outlook into the company's transformation over time and how this shift continues to challenge the South African insurance landscape, making it more dynamic, customer-centric and price competitive.